Hi, Daria is here with eXp Realty. Today is December 1st. I'm going to see property available in Los Gatos. It's a 3-bedroom, very charming house with a beautiful backyard. This beautiful house was built in 1950s. It is located in Blossom Hill Manor neighborhood on Cherry Blossom Lane in Los Gatos. It's very close to Blossom Hill Elementary and Fisher Middle School. This home has freestanding gas range and oven. 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, 1,300 square feet home sits on just under 10,000 square feet lot. If you are interested in viewing this property personally, please reach out to me here or give me a call to schedule a showing.